Hello, today we are talking with Pavel Stefanovic, one of Vilnius Gediminas Technical University employees, and also he is participating in merit project, basically mostly in the society identification activities, which are related to teaching society about information technologies, advanced digital skills. And Pavel is already working for 8 years in the university and has a different research areas, but maybe I skipped something. Maybe you have something to add about it.
Hello everybody. So thank you for the presentation. So one fact just was skipped that I'm not only the lecturer in the university and scientist, but I'm also a teacher because more than 50 years ago I finished my bachelor degree in the New York University and I became a teacher. It was my main profession firstly, and later just when I started PhD studies I became a scientist, and my main area was topic about dissertation was about artificial intelligence, customization. So now I'm just usually what I'm doing, writing articles, papers, and talking about it with the students, like data mining, text mining, natural language processing, object detection, and other artificial related fields. That's it.
But did you know in the childhood you will be a scientist, teacher, professional like this?
No, I never dream about being a scientist at all. I just every kid usually like to play with computer, to work with computer. It was usually or mostly like a hobby. When I was in my master's degree, I have a very good supervisor which asked me to write, let's say, at first my manuscript in one conference, and I tried to do it. And it was fun for me, and I later have to attend in the conference and present my results, so it was very scary. It was also very interesting because it's like a game, you're trying to make something better in the algorithm or maybe to achieve some better results. So it was fun for me, and later just become it.
But your research area was related to different artificial intelligence technologies. So is it still the same? Are you still using the same knowledge, or do you need to learn all the time?
Of course I need to learn all the time, because what was very difficult that days when I was writing my PhD, let's say, now it looks very funny for me because it's very easy looks, because technology improved a lot and it just passed 8-9 years, but it's very was, let's say, evolution of computers, evolution of technology is very quickly escalate, let's say. So it's just, you can't just learn or just use the same algorithms like what was 10 years ago, let's say.
Yeah, it seems like nowadays bachelor students are learning the same what you did in the PhD thesis.
Usually, yes.
And sometimes it looks like pupils in school also knows more than the teachers.
And maybe yes, because they grew up with technologies from early grades. Let's say, at least in Lithuania, for example, we have information technology in early grades. So, but usually what they're doing, they just playing with it, with technologies, but they don't understand how it works, let's say. So for example, even such example we have I don't know, to draw some pictures, so we can use some kind of data auto-draw functions where artificial intelligence finish my work. So it's kids have to know that just simply technologies evaluate, let's say, evolution that is very quickly, and just simply what was difficult becomes much easier now, and they have to know that it's they're working with it, they will live with it.
Yeah, usually artificial intelligence has the backside as well, you need to know the functionality,
yes.
But also you need to know the limitations, what you can use and so on. So teaching teachers, how does this add value for you?
Yes, because I'm doing open lectures for teachers as well, making some courses, because a lot of, let's say, teachers have the same problem like I am also, because we just finished the development university a long time ago, and after that 30 years it's very quickly evaluate all methods, let's say. So that problem that teachers usually have access to the children, they have to show that what is good, what is bad, how to use the tools, and so on. So even that viral topic, ChatGPT, it has some, let's say, good things and bad things. For somebody it's a evil, for somebody it's a good thing, but we can't ignore that fact. We have to show the ChatGPT usage for everybody, but we have to understand that not everything what ChatGPT writes is true. especially, for example, in our native language, it's a very huge problem because it's not works so good like in other language. But we can hide it. We have to show, and we have to show for everybody, for pupils, students, grown-ups, because it's like our days.
You convinced me that artificial intelligence area is important for all society members, from pupils to industries, and I hope you will show all the knowledge you have in our Merit Project YouTube channel and different activities.
I will try.
Thank you.